Learn a new language and you'll discover a new world.
Choose. Chose, chosen. You know, I have been thinking.
What have you been thinking about?
About happiness.
How do you feel about happiness?
Happiness is a choice, not a result.
I'm not sure that I get it.
We can't just wait for it to show up.
So, we have to do something?
Yes, we have to choose it.
That sounds too hard.
Start small. Choose one thing today, just for you.
Have you done that?
Yes, last year I chose to leave things that hurt me.
Was that easy?
Not at all. Before that, I chose silence over speaking up. That didn't help.
And now, what's next?
Since then, I've chosen small things that put me first.
Oh, smart choice.
I've also chosen to stop pleasing everyone.
I've never really chosen what makes me happy.
Maybe it's time.
Yeah, maybe.
Just remember, happiness won't come to you. You have to choose it.
Yeah, we have to choose happiness again and again.
Practice. Let's review the forms of choose in this dialogue. Choose, present. We have to choose it. You have to choose it again and again. Chose, past simple. Last year, I chose to leave things that hurt me. And before that, I chose silence over speaking up. Have chosen, present perfect. Since then, I've chosen small things that put me first. I've also chosen to stop pleasing everyone. That is enough for today's lesson. Here's your sentence to practice. I chose wrong before. I've chosen right since, and I still have to choose. That's how life works.